In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Airtable. Switching to dark mode not only reduces eye strain, especially during those long work sessions, but it can also extend your device's battery life if you're using an OLED screen. So, let's get started with making your Airtable experience a little easier on the eyes. First, when you're logged into Airtable, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon, which is your gateway to personalizing your experience just a bit more. Click on this icon, and it'll open up a menu with several options related to your account settings and preferences. Once this menu pops up, look for the option labeled Appearance. Clicking on Appearance will take you to a section where you can access various display settings for your Airtable. It might feel a little bit like stepping behind the curtain of your usual interface and finding out how things can be customized further. Now, this is where the magic happens. In the appearance settings, you'll find an option for dark mode. Simply click on dark to activate it. Instantly, you'll notice the transformation. From bright white backgrounds to deeper, darker shades, providing a more soothing visual experience. The contrast becomes softer, and you'll likely feel a noticeable difference, especially if you're working in a dimly lit environment. While switching to dark mode is a straightforward process, you might want to spend a moment experiencing the changed aesthetic and see how it fits with your workflow. Some users find the darker appearance not only kinder to their eyes but also a bit more stylish, lending a sleek, modern touch to your workspace. If at any point you decide that dark mode isn't quite working for you, don't worry. You can easily switch back by following the same steps and choosing the standard or light appearance instead. It's always great to know that you can customize your workspace to suit your personal comfort and aesthetic preferences at any time. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. I hope this adjustment makes your Airtable experience more enjoyable and sustainable over long periods of use. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check back for more tips on optimizing your digital tools. Take care and happy organizing in Airtable.